Hi viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Gama double-end hand matte green pattern acrylic made and ebonite fountain pen. And yeah, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insight on the pen, because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. And this is a double-ended fountain pen which is from Gama. The brand's name was engraved on this body, and here on the both the caps there is a breather hole which prevents the ink from clogging, and it maintains a balanced atmospheric pressure so that the ink does not leak or drip ink through the nibs. And this both sides there is a glass transparent flat domed surface, a design which is looking so awesome within this plain one. And let me open this side cap, and here you can also use this like this. Some pen collectors who are specific on collecting this different pens may like this. And the ink filling system here is, you have to open this portion to fill ink in this tanker, and the both tanker are separated in the middle. Please apply silicone grease or Vaseline whenever you are opening and closing the grip area for the ink fill. And the applying silicone grease must have to done in the acrylic and ebonite pens. Then you will get a smooth opening and smooth and long life for a thread portion. And you can also fill this portion. You can fill up to 3 ml of inks in this whole pen. And this both are number 35 nibs with fine tip, and you can swap the nibs as you like, since we have number 35 nibs in many brands. Usually pen enthusiasts will swap with candroid nibs, where we have fine, medium, broad, again with flex, and again with gold, dual tone and silver plated nibs also. And this is your wish. For that you can go to our site and select pen spares, then go to nibs, and then you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye-based ink will precipitate on longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing, and slowly the ink will get dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. So I think you might experience this, and the reason is the blockage in the feeders grow. So to remove the dirts and deposits, please remove the feeder and the nib separately by holding this together and remove this out. And this is quite a tough job in the Gama pens. They were fix it so tightly, and we are having those tools. If you are facing trouble with that, you can consult with us. We can do pen services also, and as we are having those tools, this is a quite easy process to remove this feeder and the nib unit from this pen for us. And after removing, you can flush the feeder with the soap water or normal water with the help of any brush. And in all the ink bottles itself, you can find it is noticed that it is recommended to clean the pen with water whenever you're filling the ink. For the sample, I'm showing the Brill ink bottle. Here it is given. Clean your pen with water before filling with ink. It is unique formulation, prevents clogging and quick drying on paper. And so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have a good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And a few nibs need to be fine tuned, because during manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together, so gently push the tines up and down. So this will create some space in between the tines, so it will give a very good ink flow and smooth writing also. and make sure both the tines are parallel. If not, you will get a scratchy writing. And whenever we dispatch the pens to our customer, we do this fine tuning and we will check before dispatch. And now I'm going to give the writing sample of this pen. For today's writing, I'm going to use our Pen House violet color ink. Yeah. Wow. Extremely smooth writing. No no needed for the nib changing and all. Yeah, the writing is awesome. And another nib. Both nibs are writing equal and uniform, so smooth like and butter. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.